Hello guys, it's your favorite sound engineer, Sammy. Yes, I'm the number one technician in ACT, in case you don't know. So today I'm for my DJ friends, I want to teach you guys the basics of connecting sound. So I think the first point to start with is your speakon socket. So this is a sample of a speakon socket. I just picked this up and I needed to do this video as fast as I can. So today the things you are going to learn today is the different terminals in a speakon socket, how to connect the speakon socket, and how to plug it into your speaker or your amplifier. So the different terminals in the speakon socket is the positive and negative terminal for channel 1 and channel 2. So everything in this speakon socket is just linked into two channels. So this middle one is the positive channel, and this outside one here is the negative channel. So if you're looking at this, you okay, let me make sure you're seeing this clearly. So this in the middle here, all of this and this is a negative channel, is a positive channel, sorry, and this is the negative channel. So always remember that the one that is outside is the negative and the one in the middle is the positive. So it is linked into two channels. This is channel 1, the ones facing this way is channel 1, and the ones facing this way is channel 2. So I always like allowing the channel 1 to face me directly when I'm making my connection, because that is the basic place where I like connecting my speaker. I'm very sorry about the background noise. I'm doing this outside my house, so you can actually see. So first thing first that I want to do, I will want to loosen the screw. So first I go in, I loosen the screw for the channel 1. So if you are connecting whether channel 1 or channel 2, you just have to use only one channel. So when you use +1 and -1, you're using one channel. If you're using +2 and -2, you're also using one channel. So that is either +1 or -1. So then after losing my wire, I put in my properly peeled wire. If you don't know how to peel a wire, I will show that in the next video, where I have to do a whole lot of connections, so you watch out for that. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that as soon as possible. So this is the channel 2, the channel 1, +1 and -1. So the red wire goes into the middle line, which is the positive line. I hope you can see this clearly. I really don't know, but if you get a speakon, you actually find that written on it. So when I put in the two wires this way, I only have to tighten them properly. Just have to tighten and make sure it is firm enough. So the same thing goes for the second line, and that is that. So that is how to speak the speaker. Now back to the last phase of this video, how to plug in your speaker into your speaker. So if you look at this speaker very well, you see that it has a very fat clip here and a very tiny clip this other way. So if you look at the back of your speaker or the back of your amplifier, you find out that it also has a big hole where this clip could match, and then a smaller hole where this other one will match. So if you're plugging it in, you see that the big clip is up or it is down. Any way it is, just make sure you plug it in and then you twist a little bit to the right. And once it gets that lock sound, you are going to feel it in your hands as soon as you lock it up. And that is how to basically connect it. And then to disconnect it, you turn it anti-clockwise, and then before you remove it. It's a favorite top boy, Sam. Click on the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment for any corrections you feel we have to make, and then in more videos on what to connect regarding sounds. Chi, always stay active.